In this video I am going to tell you how you can crop a picture in Illustrator with the help of clipping marks. Not only that, you can even change a picture into different shapes with the help of clipping marks in Illustrator. So how you can do it, let me start it. So first what we have to do, let me put this picture in this artboard and let me zoom in little bit, and then take a square shape or any shape. Let me take first square shape or rectangle tool, and then draw a rectangle tool like this, and make sure that your rectangle should be in the top of the picture. Okay, what does it mean? Make sure go to arrange, and then make sure that your square is in the front like this, and then that's it. And then close this fill color, and then little bit, if you want to adjust it, you can even adjust it later as well, but here I want this much part of this picture. Okay, that's it. And then what we have to do, select both the things. You can select like this as well, or how you can do it, select this one, where is our picture box, and then press shift key and select this one, and then left click it, and then make a clipping box. You can see it, this picture is in square shape now I want to change this picture. I forget to take a copy of this layer. Let me take a copy of this picture as well, so we can use it later. Here is our picture. Okay, let me do it here. Okay, make a clipping marks and put it here. Okay, now I want to make this picture change into circle shape. Now how you can do it, let me decrease the size of it, and then put it here, then again zoom in. Now this time I want to change this into circle shape. Draw a circle, and don't forget to shape while draw a circle, and then put it here. If you want to more part, then drag it, and then little bit more, and make sure it should not go outside this circle, otherwise circle should be in the sides of this rectangle. Okay, and then as I told you, select everything like this, or you can select one by one as well, and then left click it and make clipping marks. And if you are not satisfied with the result, then you can press Ctrl plus D, and then again click here, or you can even click here and adjust it little bit more, or increase the size of it like this. Okay, again let me take a copy of this layer, one more copy, and then put it here, put this here and here. Go select both the thing, and then make clipping marks. Whereas now I want to decrease the size of it, just press shape and decrease it like this. It's in here. Now one more thing I wanted, click here, and then put it here again. And where is the square shape, let me put this here as well, and then decrease the size of it like this and put it here. Now even if you want to give the color of this shape, you can do it. How you can do it, just click it and click on the stroke shape and select any color you want, and then increase the stroke color. You can see the stroke option. If you are not able to see this option, you can go to Windows and then go to appearance, and you can see this option here. Okay, and then let me increase the size of this. You can see it here is our stroke. It's totally up to you how much you want it and what color you want it. You can select any color. Okay, again same step, so increase the stroke size, and that's it. It's totally up to you how you want it. Okay, now again this time I want to select a polygon tool. Let me zoom in, Control plus and then it's zooming, and then select this, and don't forget to press shape whatever you are doing, so your design will not be, your shape will not be destroyed or unusual. Okay, like this. Don't worry, I know it's very big. We, as I told you, we will adjust it later, and make sure it shouldn't go outside this box. Okay, like this one. One more I wanted, you can increase it from this side as well. It's going outside, don't worry, I am going to decrease it and put this in the center. You can put it like this as well, but select this one and select this one, and again this one, and then this one, and then go to, okay, it's in the center now. Now as I told you, what we have to do, select both the things and then make clipping marks. Now it's our, you can see it, it's not, there is so much white space, so go to, yeah, this one is, it I don't like so much white space, so now this time I'm going to decrease it like this. You can adjust it like this as well. Yeah, this one totally perfect. Select both the things and then make clipping marks here. Yeah, this look totally perfect. And then if you want to give stroke, click here and then select, this time I want to select orange color, not red. Okay, this so much, and then okay, and then increase the size of it. It's totally up to you how much stroke you wanted. There is no hard and fast rule, it's totally up to you. And then that's it, you can see it, three shapes we have profit, and you can decrease or adjust the size of it according to your design or according to your choice. There is no hard and fast rule. Here is another shape, and like this one, and you can follow these steps in for your other work as well, like this, little bit increase it. This is how you can change or crop your design with the help of clipping marks in Illustrator. Is very easy step to do. You just need little bit practice, or you should, if you watch this video till the end, you will able to do the same thing with the help of clipping marks.